we need 6 wires with a plug on this end. I'm sorry, with a socket on this end. So these are plugs, and we're going to have push sockets on there. And then a plug on this end so that we can push them into these holes. So you can buy this kind of hookup wire on many places. Adafruit has pretty good source for that, and it basically looks like this. So you can see we have the plug on one end, the socket on the other. We're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I might just leave that 7th one on just in case we want to do something else with it. So we'll use these 6, and we're just going to plug them on here. So orange, ENA, yellow in 1, so we should be making notes here. So ENA, you'll probably have different colors that you're using, so you want to write these down. ENA is orange, N1 forward is yellow, into reverse is blue. Whoops, no it isn't, it's green. And N2 is blue. I'm sorry, N3 is blue. N2 is green. N4 is violet, or purple as some people may call it. And gray is ENB. So we'll just push those down. Make sure they're all seated. Okay, that's pretty good. That pretty much completes wiring internally. So I think we can go ahead and we can put the chassis back on. We need to figure out how to route the wires and what the best way to do that is. So that's next. So you can see I decided to run the wires through the back window here. And that's mainly because these wires are kind of short, and I need to get them all the way up to these pins. Also, you can see that I've rewired the PSoC power and ground up to the battery pins here. That was pretty tedious, getting those big fat wires in these little holes and making sure that they got in there, that they won't pull out. So it's a good pull test on all of them. So I spared you the video of me doing that, but take your time with it and make sure that the wires are in there nice and solid and making good electrical contact, because you don't want those popping out while it's driving around or smashing into things. So now that that's done, I'm going to feed these wires up through here. Oops, one doesn't want to go. Ooh, it's that white one. I knew I should have taken that white one off from there. Okay, come on. Oh, now it's the green one. Okay. I think we're almost there. Okay. So we've got power and we've got signal. I'm going to put this chassis back on, put the screws in, and then we can start writing the code and hooking it up. So go ahead and put those screws in, and then we'll take it from there.